Okay, so this is one of the 3-blade broadheads. This is just from the machine shop, from the coating. This thing is dull as could be. It won't even catch on a thumbnail. It's got no edge basically. I mean, it's just profiled in on the CNC, but that is it. So we just want to show you from here to sharp how easy this process is. You can do this just on these little 6-inch belt sanders. This is a super common tool, something that people have at home probably already. It's super easy. This is a 120 grit, this is a 600 grit. Belt changes on these are super quick and easy. You don't need 2 of these, but it is something where if you do have 2, it's very easy to do. So we'll just show you the whole process here real quick from the CNC shop to sharp. So I'm just going to lay this flat. I put my hand here so I can brace and make sure that I've got that angle and keeping the pressure even on both blades. I just start at the back and I just rock it forward. Back, rock it forward to the tip. So that's on the 120. Jump over here to the 600. On this one, you'll actually see the burr roll up. I'm going to go two passes per side on this one. So you can see that burr rolling up along the edge as I do this. So there's once per side. You can see how much smaller that burr is now. There's twice per side. So this is profiled and ground in now. The last step is just removing that burr on a ceramic rod. So I'll come over here. Take this right to our ceramic stick. Now with this, same, just lay those edges flat, draw across, going from rear to front, and every time I'm rotating to the next set of blades. I do like to go both directions, just that way I'm stripping that burr off both edges. So there's once through, twice, there's 3 times through. Finish it back up with a couple going this direction. And that head will probably shave hair now. So this was just a demonstration to show you how you can take a really dull broadhead and go from dull. This didn't have any edge on it at all. The 2 edges weren't even brought to a burr when we started this, but the practicality of this is you're at home, you're practicing, you're shooting this, you shot an animal with it, you missed an animal with it, just to show you how easy this is to go from as dull as the broadhead could be to back to hunt ready shaving sharp. And that whole process is only a couple of minutes with some very basic tools.